Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best safety eyes is probably one of the most crucial components for any amigurumi project, bringing life and personality to your creations. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 12mm safety eyes, exploring their versatility, ease of use, and why they're a favorite among crafters. We'll cover everything from the different styles available to how to properly attach them, ensuring your finished projects are not only adorable but also safe and secure. Number 5. UPINS 120 PCS Crochet Safety Eyes Kit, 12mm. This kit includes 120 safety eyes and 120 washers, a total of 240 pieces. You'll have plenty to complete many DIY projects, ensuring a great crafting experience. These crochet eyes are made with a fine polishing process, giving them a bright, shiny look. The eyes will make your creations more vivid and full of life. The surface of each safety eye is smooth, ensuring high quality. Every eye is designed to reflect light beautifully, making them perfect for any DIY enthusiast. Each kit comes with enough washers to secure the eyes and prevent them from peeling. Simply insert the eyes through the fabric and attach the washer for a secure hold. These safety eyes are ideal for handmade dolls, amigurumi projects, and toy crafts. They are perfect for all sorts of stuffed creatures, like plush puppets and bears. Recommended for ages over 3 years. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity, ensuring you have enough eyes for multiple projects. The high glossiness makes them look very bright, adding life to your creations. If you're working on a large amigurumi project or frequently make dolls, you should consider this one. They provide great value and a beautiful finish. What people say. Good quality. Good size. Easy to use. Perfect fit for the little plushies that I've been making. Hey, are sturdy, clean, and easy to use. Love them for eyes and amigurumi eye crochet. Easy to use with safety back and very inexpensive. Number 4. Vanblue 12mm Black Safety Eyes for Crafts. This set includes 130 pieces of 12mm safety eyes and 130 washers. You'll have plenty to complete various DIY projects. These are perfect for all your crafting needs. Made from high-quality, safe plastic, these eyes are non-toxic and built to last. They are well polished and sturdy, so they won't be easily damaged. You can rely on them for your creations. Using these eyes is simple. Just insert them through the fabric and secure them with the included washers. This ensures they stay firmly in place, making your project secure. These eyes are ideal for handmade dolls, amigurumi, and stuffed animals. They're also great for adding festive touches to holiday-themed crafts. Use them to bring your creations to life. Please keep these small eyes away from children to prevent accidental swallowing. If there's a minor blemish, you can easily fix it yourself, and it won't affect the use of the product. Enjoy crafting. What we like. These eyes are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring they are safe and durable. They are easy to install, making your crafting process smoother. If you are looking for eyes that are safe for your projects and easy to use, this is the perfect choice. It is also suitable for festive decorations. What people say. The backs are a lot stronger than some I've got. They are working perfectly well. So far they work like a dream and are very easy to apply to my crochet projects and stay in place with the use of a safety eye tool and don't fall out. The backings fit perfectly with little issue and my projects turn out looking very cute. Number 3. Vanblue Safety Eyes 150 PCS 6 to 12mm. Introducing Vanblue Safety Eyes, perfect for your crafting projects. This set includes 150 pieces in various sizes, along with washers for secure attachment. With sizes ranging from 6 to 12mm, these eyes are ideal for amigurumi, stuffed animals, and more. You'll have plenty for replacements or multiple projects. The black safety eyes come with threads and washers. Simply insert them and attach the washer for a firm hold, preventing them from coming loose. Made from high-quality plastic, these eyes are durable and perfect for creating stuffed animals. They're designed to last and enhance your creations. Use these eyes for handmade dolls, amigurumi, and various craft projects. They're great for plush puppets, teddy bears, and other stuffed creatures. Please note that these small eyes are not suitable for children under 5 years old. Adult supervision is recommended to ensure safe crafting. What we like. This set provides a variety of sizes, perfect for different amigurumi projects. They are easy to attach securely. If you like the flexibility of choosing the right size for your project, you should consider this one. It's a great option for crafters who enjoy making a variety of stuffed animals. What people say. The eyes are very easy to use. The back stay on very well. They are perfect for amigurumi. Number 2. MUCUNNIA 12mm Glitter Safety Eyes for Crochet. This package offers a variety of colors, including blue, pink, green, and more. It includes safety eyes, spacers, and washers. They are perfect for various DIY projects. The eyes have a more translucent and glossy surface. The packaging has also been upgraded for easy distinction. They are made of high-quality plastic, ideal for DIY lovers. First, put the eye through the washer, then through the doll, and fix it with the washer. The thread design is very firm, preventing it from falling off. The simple operation makes the DIY process easier. These eyes are ideal for making dolls, toys, and other stuffed animals. It's also a great gift for any occasion, making your dolls look vivid and lovely. The eyes are disconnected by machine ultrasonic, so there will be some dents. If necessary, you can trim them before use. It is recommended that children are accompanied by an adult to prevent swallowing. What we like. This set offers multiple color options, allowing for creative customization. The upgraded glitter adds a unique sparkle to your creations. If you are looking to add some extra flair and personality to your dolls, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who want their amigurumi to stand out. What people say. The eyes are very easy to use. They are perfect for amigurumi. The safety backs are very secure. Number 1. TOAOB 12mm Black Safety Eyes for DIY Crafts. These safety eyes are crafted from high-quality plastic, ensuring they won't easily bend. They have a smooth, glossy finish, making them durable and perfect for your DIY doll projects. Each eye measures 12mm, and the set includes 150 pieces, or 75 pairs, along with 150 washers. This provides ample supply for multiple projects. The included washers securely hold the eyes in place, preventing them from falling out. Simply position the eye and attach the washer for a firm hold. Make sure you have it located exactly where you want it in your project before proceeding. Thanks to a fine polishing process, these eyes give your dolls a bright and lifelike appearance. The eyes are the windows to the soul, and these will bring your creations to life. These eyes are suitable for various crafts, including puppets, dolls, bears, and amigurumi. The crafting process enhances your DIY skills, and the finished products make great gifts for craft enthusiasts. What we like. These eyes are made of premium material, ensuring they are not easy to bend and are durable. The high glossiness makes them look very bright, adding life to your creations. If you like a simple design with a bright look, you should consider this one. They provide great value and a beautiful finish. What people say. These do the job. They are good quality, consistent size, and hang on for dear life once placed. The eyes are very consistent too, with almost all being perfectly shaped and staying in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.